What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Got our friend here helping me out. We're gonna try to finish up removing this, but we ended up actually getting the crane yesterday, the cherry picker. So I'm gonna get a time lapse of us building that and get that all hooked up, get the engine hooked up. That way we can start removing the belt housing, removing the motor mounts and the exhaust. Like I said yesterday, we're pretty much at the deadline, but still got a little major things to get out and before we can claim victory. So let's keep going. I'll set you guys on time lapse and go from there.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information.
So we're still working on this. It actually ended up being a little bit more complicated than we thought. Jeremy's over there having fun. This support is not reaching from that hole to this hole. So we're trying to figure that out. Right now we're just finishing up the wheels. The parts aren't labeled properly. Everything's just out of whack. But what can we complain about? We got it cheap, so it is what it is.
Ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Got the hoist up.
That's
been pretty good.
That's a deal, right?
We're gonna keep going and we're gonna try to attach the engine to the hoist and go from there.
I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be.
Alright, so we're running into the issue where the actual bolts on this side are a freaking pain in the ass. So we're trying to look at different angles. I think we're just using the wrong tools, but trying to make it work. We're gonna keep getting up into that, but I'll get you guys back on it once we get it, so I don't keep this video longer. Okay, guys, so we ended up getting those bolts. They were a pain. They really were a pain. I think they were a pain because of improper tools. I think if we had better tools, it would have been a lot easier, or just a little bit more experience. Like I said, it's the first time doing any of this, but we got it all deattached. The only thing left is the belt housing and the motor mounts. But we are on our way to It's like an hour away. We're gonna pick up some parts for this car. It's gonna be really nice, gonna look really good. So I'll get you guys on the road and catch you guys over there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bleep that, Daniel. Truck, I don't know, it's acting up. But got her back on, so we'll be ready to go. Beach ass girl. So we ended up getting back from picking up the part we needed. The part is for this car. We may throw it on, we may save it for another one, but we'll see. I know I keep repeating myself a lot. We're still removing the bell housing bolts. I got everything loosened up. Now we got set up with the engine hoist, and we're gonna hopefully loosen those up, loosen the engine motor mounts. Those should be quick and easy. You just unbolt from the bottom. The bell housing though, those are the ones that are pain, especially right now that it's dark, but got a pretty good setup. Got the engine hoist attached up, and I got some lights. So let's keep going, and we'll catch you guys when it's out. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So we ended up getting the engine out, which was a complete pain. I'm actually kind of glad it's over with, but like I said, it's the beginning of a new era, something new for me, and we got it out, and that's what's important. As you can see behind me, she's out. Nothing got ripped. I missed the starter, but she dragged out and she did not get damaged, so that's a good thing. As you can see, my hands are all messed up, but she's out. I think I'm gonna talk to Miguel, like I said, the mastermind behind all this, and see if I need to take off any accessories. I think we decided we're gonna rebuild it. I am not sure. Cost is about the same. If I rebuild it, it's gonna cost me, let's say, like $3,500. If I buy a used one, it's gonna cost me like $3,200. And the used, I only get a month warranty. Rebuild, I get a year warranty. I think that's the best thing, especially if I'm reselling it. Like I said, I don't want the new owner to have any issues with it. I want them to be able to buy the car and say, shit, this was a good car, because it's gonna be a good car. So see where it goes. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. I want to thank you guys, and see you on the next one.